We will attempt to automatically build a complete website from scratch using ChatGPT and see how accurate and efficient the results are. This experiment will not only demonstrate ChatGPT's capabilities, but will also provide a glimpse into the future of how technology can revolutionize how we develop and build websites. Hello, and welcome to Startup Bits and the fascinating world of natural language processing and machine learning. Today, we'll look into the capabilities of ChatGPT, a cutting-edge language model developed by OpenAI. One of ChatGPT's most impressive features is its ability to generate source code from simple descriptions. Imagine being able to create a complete website in under a minute without having to write a single line of code. Is it too good to be true? So, let's get started and see what ChatGPT can do. On the homepage of the website we're going to build with ChatGPT, a random quote from a text file called quotes.txt is displayed. When the website is accessed, the application reads the content of the quotes.txt file, then chooses a random quote from the list and sends it to the front end, where it is displayed on the web page. Furthermore, the web page includes a Change Quote button that, when clicked, refreshes the page and displays another random quote. So let's start to ask ChatGPT to generate a list of famous quotes from Steve Jobs. Next, describe the website that we want ChatGPT to create for us. ChatGPT generates a comprehensive response based on our textual description, which includes step-by-step instructions and source code written in Python and then using Flask Web Framework. To use the provided code, we must create a project folder and files within that folder using the commands listed below. To begin, copy the 20 generated codes into the file quotes.txt. Next, paste the source code for the file app.py that ChatGPT provided into that. This code is a simple Flask application that displays a random quote from a file called quotes.txt on the website's homepage. The line app equals Flask, parens, underscore, name, underscore, parens. Creates a new Flask application and stores it in the variable app. The @app.root parens star backslash star parens decorator is used to define a root for the website's homepage. When this root is accessed, the function home parens parens is called. Within the function, the script uses the open parens parens function to open the quotes.txt file and assigns the contents of the file to the variable quotes using the .readlines parens parens method. The script then selects a random quote from the list of quotes using the random.choice parens quotes parens function. The chosen quote is passed as a variable named quote to the home.html template, which is then returned to the browser to be rendered. The if underscore name underscore equals apostrophe underscore main underscore apostrophe line determines whether the script is being run directly or as a module. If run directly, the app.run parens debug equal true parens line launches the development web server and executes the application. During development, the debug equals true argument is used to enable the interactive debugger. Let's take the steps suggested by ChatGPT and create a new folder templates, then a new file home.html within that folder. Copy and paste the ChatGPT HTML code into the home.html. This is an HTML template that displays a web page titled Famous Quotes of Steve Jobs, a header tag with the same title, a div element displaying a quote passed from the backend, and a button labeled Change Quote, which when clicked reloads the web page. The template also includes a link to a CSS file that will be used to style the web page. Following that, we'll get instructions for incorporating the CSS code into the Flask project. Repeat these steps by entering the following commands. Finally, paste the CSS code from ChatGPT into styles.css. That's it. We're ready to see if everything works as expected. enter to launch the development web server. On the command line, you should see the following response. Locally, the server is listening on port 5000, so in your browser, type 127.0.01:5000 to access the website. Great! The website is loading, and the output we're getting is exactly what we asked for. A quote is chosen at random and displayed. We can use the Change Quote button to select a new one at random and update the output. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to tell me in the comments that you can use this amazing tool to create your own website in under a minute. According to the analytics, more than 80% of viewers are non-subscribers. Please show your support by subscribing to the channel. See you in the following video.